Nath School of Business and Technology, where learning meets reality. Recognized as the best education brand by ET Edge for 2 consecutive years, NSBT is building a distinctive approach to management and technology education. Our undergrad and postgrad programs in management and computer applications, with specializations in AI and data science, as well as cloud technology and information security, are shaped through partnerships with PRME, AWS, Oracle, Palo Alto, and EC Council, ensuring strong industry alignment. At NSBT, learning extends beyond the classroom. Students engage with industry through internships, life projects, and initiatives such as Cyber Shield, CMI CEO Conclave, Advantage Maharashtra Expo, and many others, bridging the gap between theory and practice. Our immersion programs, social, rural, and international, enable students to step into these diverse contexts, building perspective, empathy, and responsibility. From nearby villages to global exposure, through the Japan Immersion Program, learning remains grounded in experience. Our association with Findability Sciences, a global enterprise AI company, has further strengthened this journey through the establishment of an AI solutions lab, industry programs, and collaborative initiatives including work with Kamal Nayan Bajaj Hospital. Life at NSBT is shaped by participation and ownership through Tattva, our student council, cultural platforms, and campus engagements. Students contribute, create, and lead. Our faculty serve as mentors and collaborators, guiding students not just in academics, but in how they think and engage with the world. Today, our students move forward with clarity and exposure to real-world challenges, with placements being just one part of this journey. At NSBT, we are building more than an institution. We are working towards shaping individuals prepared for life, prepared for growth, which is both within and beyond, shaping how students think, act, and engage with the world.